or angle A and angle B are supplementary. So the total, of course, is 180 degrees. Supplementary angles would be like this angle and this angle, making this straight line. So however many degrees this is, plus however many degrees this is going to total up to 180. Just like a 90 and another 90 would make this line, right? So, in this question, even though it might look difficult with all those symbols in there, it just tells me that angle A is x plus 15, and angle B is x minus 13. Now, I noticed something right away when I put those in there. The way that I put those in there, and this doesn't necessarily matter for setting up the equations, but I know that a value of x plus 15 is going to be bigger than a value of x minus 13. So technically I put these in the wrong place, but mathematically if you do it without the picture, it wouldn't make any difference. I'm going to switch it anyway, because x plus 15 would have to be the larger of the two angles, and x minus 13 is that one. Now they're calling this one angle B and this one angle A. I know that they're supplementary, so all I have to do is add those two quantities together to equal 180. So this angle, x minus 13, plus x plus 15, is going to equal 180 degrees. It says so right there. Combine your like terms. And as it happens very often with our mathematics, we wind up with a two-step equation. We'll solve for x, and divide by 2, and x is going to equal 89. So they want the measure of angle B. Now, in any standardized test that I've ever seen in my career, they always make choice A 89. I'm not saying choice A is always wrong, but 89 will be a choice on the test every single time, and that's not the right answer. We solve for x. They want the measure of angle B, so I have to put 89 in for x right here. And 89 minus 13 is going to give me what? 76? So the measure of that angle is 76 degrees. Now I just want to make sure that that's right, so I'm going to put 89 in over here also, and add 15 and get 104. When I look at 104, and I look at 76, I think I can add those together in my head. I think you can too, and we're going to get 180. We can be really sure we did all our math right. So again, I'm going to look at these and decide which one would be bigger. 7 times my value plus 9, or 6 times my value plus 3. That sounds like angle B is the bigger one. It's possible that that wouldn't be true when we wind up having negative values of x, but I don't think that's going to happen here. So just to have my picture correct, we're going to call this angle B and this angle A. So I'm going to add them together. They're going to be complements, so they're going to have a sum of 90 degrees. 7x plus 9 plus 6x plus 3 equals 90 degrees. Like terms again, always combine those like terms when you can. On either side of the equal sign, I've got 13 x's. I've got 9 plus 3, which is positive 12. And another two-step equation to finish up. And that looks like 6. Again, don't answer 6 in delta or on any big test. Answer the question. Angle A is this one. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 3 is 39. So when I put my 6 into this one, I should get 51 to be a total of 90 degrees. When I put 6 in for x here, I get 42 plus 9, as expected, 51. It says angle A and angle B are vertical angles. We know that all vertical angles are equal to each other. So if we had a diagram like this, I know that these two angles would be equal to each other, and I know that these vertical angles would be equal to each other as well. It tells me that angle A is 3x plus 26, and angle B is x plus 20. I know that those must equal each other, so I'll just make an equal sign and put the angle A on one side and angle B on the other side, and then just solve the equation. They are being nice, and all they want me to do is solve for x, so just solve the equation, and we are done. Two-step equation left. And in this case, we are going to get a negative answer. I can type that into my box in delta, or I can check it first to make sure that it works. So negative 3 here will give me 3 times negative 3 plus 26. Negative 9 plus 26 would be 17. Put negative 3 in for x on angle B, and I also get 17. They came out equal, and know that we have the right answer.